Let me ask you a simple question. How many colleges today are teaching Python? How many are teaching cloud, AI, or DevOps? The answer is almost every engineering institution. So here's the real question. If everyone is teaching the same technologies, what makes your students stand out? Today, most institutions teach technologies as separate subjects. Students complete Python, then cloud, then AI, then DevOps. They complete assignments, earn certificates, and move on. But when they attend interviews or start working in a company, they're asked something completely different. Can you automate our business process? Can you build an AI solution that saves us time and money? This is where many graduates struggle. They know the technology, but they don't know how to apply it to solve real business challenges. That's exactly where AgentOps Labs is different. We don't stop at teaching technologies. We teach students how to connect those technologies together to build complete AI-powered business automation systems. Imagine a student building an entire business workflow. A customer visits a website. The inquiry is automatically captured into a CRM. An AI chatbot answers questions instantly. WhatsApp and email campaigns follow up automatically. Appointments are scheduled without manual effort. Customer data is organized, reports are generated, and AI agents continue working 24 hours a day. This isn't just another classroom project. It's a real-world business automation system that companies are implementing today. By the end of the program, students don't just know Python, they know how to build intelligent AI solutions. They don't just know cloud, they know how to deploy scalable AI applications. They don't just know AI, they know how to create AI agents that automate marketing, customer support, HR, operations, and sales workflows. And they don't just graduate with certificates. They graduate with a portfolio of working AI projects, business automation workflows, and practical experience that employers and clients can immediately recognize. The future belongs to graduates who can solve business problems with AI, not just explain AI concepts. If you want your institution to prepare students for the next generation of careers, freelancing opportunities, startups, and AI-driven businesses, we invite you to experience AgentOps Labs. Book a free live demo and we'll show you how your institution can transform traditional technology education into real-world AI business innovation. Finally, degree opens the door, skills build the career. For demo, reach us at info@agentopslabs.net or call to 970-446-2666.